Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. In this video we will see about desert landforms formed due to wind erosion. Rock pedestals or mushroom rocks. Formed by the sandblasting effect of winds against any projecting rock masses. It wears down the softer layer, leading to the formation of irregular edges on alternate bands of softer and harder rocks. Grooves and hollows cut in the rock surfaces carve them into grotesque-looking pillars known as rock pedestals. Such rock pillars will be further eroded near their bases where friction is greatest. Mesa and butte. Mesa is a Spanish word meaning table. It is a flat, table-like landmass with a very resistant horizontal top layer and very steep sides. The hard stratum on the surface resists denudation by both wind and water, and thus protects the underlying layers of rocks from being eroded away. Mesas may be formed in canyon regions like Arizona or on fault blocks. Erosion. Tabular masses which have a layer of soft rocks lying beneath a surface layer of more resistant rocks. Difference in the erosional effect of the wind on soft and resistant rock surfaces carve them into weird-looking ridge and furrow landscape. Erosion may stand 10 to 100 feet above the sunken furrows. Continuous abrasion by winds gradually lowers the erosion and widens the furrow. Yardens. Yardens looks quite similar to erosion, but instead of lying in horizontal strata upon one another, the hard and soft rocks of yardens are vertical bands. Rocks are aligned in the direction of prevailing winds. Wind's abrasion excavates the bands of softer rocks into long, narrow corridors, separating the steep-sided overhanging ridges of hard rock called yardens. Isenberg or island mountain. They are basically isolated residual hills rising abruptly from the ground level. Characterized by very steep slopes and rather rounded tops. They are often composed of granite or gneiss. Are probably relics of an original plateau, which has been almost entirely eroded away. Ventifacts and Dracenter. These are pebbles facete by sandblasting. They are shaped and thoroughly polished by wind abrasion to shapes resembling Brazil nuts. Amongst the ventifacts, those with 3 wind facete surfaces are called Dracenter. These wind facete pebbles form the desert pavement, a smooth, mosaic-like region, closely covered by the numerous rock fragments and pebbles. Deflation hollows. Winds lower the ground by blowing away the unconsolidated materials, and small depressions may form. Similarly, minor faulting can also initiate depressions, and the eddying action of oncoming winds will wear off the weaker rocks until the water table is reached. Water then seeps out, forming oases or swamps in the deflation hollows or depressions. That's all for this video. Meet you in next video discussing about depositional landforms due to wind in desert. Thank you. Like and subscribe to e-Gurukulam for IAS.